Good morning. I hope you're doing well. My name is Waringa. If it's not morning from your place, don't worry. Good, whatever that time is. Today I want to do MAKEBA braids on my hair because I tell you what, my hair has been open for about 2 months and so much hair breakage has taken place. But you know what? I am about to stop that. I will wash it and I will see you uh, when I am doing the MAKEBA braids. Some people call them jumbo braids, others call them jumbo, but whichever, it doesn't matter. So I will see you then.
Like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up, like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my mind like standing on rain.
See, I have washed it and it looks really great. It also smells nice. So the only thing that it's missing is oil. I have not oiled it, but I have a plan. I want to use this TCB leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil. This is from TCB. I will also need, when I'm doing my hair, I will also need these buns. I got these ones from Dubois for 50 bob. Oh, Dubois. I also have this crochet. I will use it for the first time. I want to do the braids using the crochet, and I will also need this jelly comb. I normally use the jelly comb because I like this the sharp end. It will help me section my hair. So I don't want to do a lot of braids, MAKEBA braids. I told you they are the big ones. So I'm planning to section my hair into two, down like this and then across like this. Then from each part I want to do like 4 or a maximum of 5 braids. So that means the total number of braids I want on my head, they will not exceed 20. So 20 is the maximum number, or maybe 22. No, 20. Let us stick with 20. And now let us begin.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up, like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me strong.
You see, there's a difference between this and this. Now this one, it's much softer. This one, it's quite soft. Unlike this one, this is still hard because it's not moisturized. I will do the whole thing around my head and then I will start braiding immediately I'm done with moisturizing the whole hair. Let's do that. Let's moisturize my whole head. I want to go in with the matutas. You see, like the way I have done the two of these. Go in with the matutas and then crochet later. So let me show you what I'm doing.
Ain't no luck finding real love. Gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I've grown up.
make sure that these matutas are tight, otherwise they will not look neat. I think this method is easy, the matuta method, unlike the rubber band, because the rubber band method, those two rubber bands keep coming out. So I have this one, the smaller one, and this bigger one, and I will just crochet them. I'll just take in the crochet like that. Get the hair, close it, and bring it up. Whoa. Wow, that was easy. And then I'll take the bigger portion of the hair now, and also use this. Why does it feel like it's so easy? But I'm thinking there's something wrong. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. And then from here I can just start braiding. Yeah. From here I'll just start braiding. I will just repeat the process until I finish. And they are not a lot, but they look really, really nice. See what I'm doing at the ends here. Leaving it in style. I love how this looks like.
So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger, making me stronger.
When you're making your matutas, you make sure you're doing them tightly. That is the only way they're gonna last longer. If you leave them loose, the braids will not serve you for long. So just make sure that your matutas are tightly done. it has come out neatly. Wow. I parted on the side here, and I have done this deliberately. I wanted this part to be like that. This is how the front part looks like, the front part of my head, and I think it looks great. This looks nice. And the thing about these MAKEBA braids is that they are not a lot, so they will not be heavy on my head. I'm remained with this part here, and they are, I want to do like roughly like 7 matutas. So I will do the matutas, and I will do that off camera. I will see you when I'm done and show you.
You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay up in line.
Finally I am here. I will show you the back. This is how the back looks like. That's the back for you. So I will just apply my styling gel on the edges here, the baby hairs. I will use Soft and Free styling gel. I love Soft and Free products. They work really well with my hair. So that will be my styling gel. Let me apply the gel and show you. These ones, I want to lay these ones. Okay?
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me
So this is it. I am done. I have laid my edges, and I love my work. I think I have done well. I can put them like this, tie them up here, or let them down. I can style them on the side. I think they really look good, and yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.